Meaning of formulation.
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 Formulation. Formulation refers to the process of creating or developing a plan, idea, or strategy to achieve a specific goal or solve a problem. It involves considering various factors, such as available resources, constraints, and objectives, and using that information to design a practical and effective approach. The result of a formulation is a clear and concise strategy that outlines the steps required to accomplish the desired outcome. It can be used in various fields, including business, science, engineering, and medicine, to improve decision-making and increase the likelihood of success.